I don't know if you had to do with son of it. We knew it was bad. We bought it the same price.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers! How are you, Gianca? I am so touched. I can speak.
I'm speechless because the time is now.
Yeah.
Because we've been waiting for so long, and now we are ready to celebrate the beginning of our first Sicily Lovers Tour. This is the most important edition. We've been working for so long. We had the pandemic. Pandemic tried to stop us, but pandemic
No one
didn't
can
work.
stop us.
Nobody can stop us. And finally, we are in a special moment, guys. I'm speechless. I'm not joking. Usually my English is bad, but today is worse because I can't find the right words to say what I feel now, what we feel now.
It's a dream that finally came true. We are with 15 beautiful Sicily lovers that decide to discover their homeland with us. And it's unbelievable because it's from the beginning it's just a family, no? It's right, a family. So as you can see, everyone is talking each other. So they are starting.
Let me display. Let me display without.
Of course.
I don't want to disturb them.
No, look at them. They are beautiful, and with the help of wine, of course, Sicilian wine, everything is easier.
So, guys, I wanna say something. I wanna reveal something special. We used to plan tailored private tours of Sicily all the year round, but this is a special chance for us to put together wonderful people who didn't have anything with them, so they were perfect strangers, and they only trusted Rosella and me, and so we are so proud to give them the opportunity to enjoy Sicily with us in the best way possible, and we are super happy because we are just at the beginning of the tour.
Yes, this is the first day. We just started with the Aperitif in this beautiful location, overlooking the historic center of Palermo. And
they didn't know each other, so that's the most important thing. They didn't know each other, and now they are family.
But
so
they are Sicily lovers. That's the most important thing.
Their DNA perhaps helps because they have a Sicilian origin, but out of this, they are family now. So it's our mission, you know. We try to make some new connection between people. We had this opportunity during the pandemic with the virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting, and now it's so touching because we now have the evidence that our efforts made a beautiful result. So those people came here because they trust Rosella and me, and they now are enjoying a great tour of Sicily, and I don't want to say anything else because I'm really touched.
It's unbelievable.
I just want to show you the location that will be your location if you if you choose a tour of Sicily with us, we used to involve this location. We are in the top floor, in a terrace, facing the beautiful fountain of the Shame in Palermo. Just downstairs, we are in front of Corso Vittorio Emanuele, the most ancient street in Palermo, with 2,700 years of heritage. And this is the location we used to choose for our welcome aperitif during our tours of Sicily. No matter if they are group tour of Sicily like this or private tours of Sicily. That's the most important thing. I wanna clarify that the starting point of your tour of Sicily, if you choose Rosella and me, is this. Then we go to have a special dinner, but this is another chapter. First, you will see this, and I'm gonna show you what you can see from this beautiful terrace. So this is Santa Caterina Church, and if you've been following us for a long time, you already know that this is a special location where you can enjoy the best cannoli in Sicily. Right inside the church, there is a monastery. There is a confectionery where the nuns makes something special. This is the city hall, just in front of you, just in front of us. Sorry, the Palace of the Eagles, where the mayor stays, and that is the Fountain of the Shame. I'm sorry, now you don't see any water in the fountain because they are doing a sort of cleaning of the fountain. And this is Corso Vittorio Emanuele. Now, for those who haven't been in Palermo for a long time, so Corso Vittorio Emanuele is the heart of Palermo, and it's also a pedestrian street, so you can easily walk, you can easily stroll. That square is the heart of Palermo. This is the Quattro Canti, the four corners. And if you go ahead that way, you can meet some other beautiful churches and the cathedral and also the royal palace. So, right in this place, you can see all this. What do you think, guys? It's a good choice for you?
And I would like to remind you our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. You can choose a private tour to join our next edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour that will take place in May and June.
2023, May 29, June 10. Let me remind our friends that we can plan for you a private, tailored, custom private tour of Sicily all year round. But once a year, only once, from May 29 to June 10, we used to work a group tour of Sicily. It's a promotional tour, and it's the only chance for you to join a group tour of Sicily.
Yes, with other beautiful Sicily lovers, and of course we will follow the group from the beginning to the end.
Yeah, because
every moment.
Let me say that usually a private tour of Sicily is a little bit more expensive than a group tour. So in this case, we give you the best value for your money. You just join some other people. In this case, they are 15 Sicily lovers.
So a small group, big.
Not a mass tour. It's a small group, so we can offer the best care.
Yeah.
So we care all details, we care everything. And if you are curious, just keep on watching us and keep on following us. In the next days, you will see the next adventures of these people.
Beautiful.
Because we will see something special places in Sicily. We will usually our tours start in Palermo. Then we explore the entire island.
And we will end in Taormina, the jewel of Sicily.
Don't reveal it. Don't reveal it, because also Cefalù, also Erich, also Ortigia, Syracuse, the Valley of the Temples, Mount Etna.
The highlights.
We cover all the islets of the islands. So keep following us, and you will realize what Sicily is. Oh, we have a friend. Come with us. Mix.
You are live.
Mix.
Hola.
Would you like to say something about our friends who are watching us?
Oh my God. Rosella and Gianca are the best hosts in the world. I'm so happy and grateful to have met them, and we're going to have a wonderful time for the next
And then you
12 days.
you tell me which is the price for this advertising.
price. Priceless.
wine?
It's priceless.
Priceless.
See.
But I will give you my heart in the next days. So this is what I can give you to change this beautiful advertising.
Mille grazie. My heart is split between the two of you.
Thank you so much. Guys, this is the evidence of beautiful people who join us. Mix is one of them. Thank you, Mix.
Mille grazie, signor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sicilia, here we come.
Bravo.
Let's see
Very
the other
good.
Sicily lovers. Let's have a look.
It is going to be interesting to see what happens as interest rates go up.
Sorry, would you like to say hello to the world?
Yeah, the
Ciao.
world. Sicily is the best. I'm in love with Sicily. I've been drinking all day, and Sicily is the best. I love this is my roots. My roots.
But you are not impartial. You have a Sicilian origin, and so of course
For
Sicily is the
me,
best.
it means it's really very touching. To
You
me.
are not reliable, so we should interview someone else.
Maybe Kevin?
Kevin, would you like to say something?
We just had a great day in Sicily, getting to travel to Cattolica, and Gianca and Rosella just did a marvelous job of planning a day for us where we got to meet relatives, got to meet dignitaries of the city. My heart is just so full from this day, and I can't thank them enough.
Thank you so much, Kevin. But let's reveal what has happened today, because you came to Sicily yesterday. And,
Yes.
And today you went to your ancestral hometown.
Went to our ancestral hometown, Cattolica area.
So before the tour of Sicily begins.
Yes, it was our first day. Tomorrow the tour starts. They were able to arrange meetings with my relatives, with the mayor's second person in Cattolica, with the priest that took us into the records of my grandfather's baptism. We were able to go back to 1900 and find his baptism records. It was just so meaningful to us. And then, just out of the blue, the city councilwoman, I don't know what the name is in Italian, she ends up being a relative of mine. And it just was so moving. She was just so happy to find out she has a new relative, and got to meet my sister, my wife, my son, and my daughter. And it was just one of the best moments of my life.
Thank you so much, Kevin. Thank you so much. It's a great pleasure to have you in Sicily. You join our tour, and we are super excited. We can't wait to go ahead and show you the best of Sicily.
Thank you.
You are a true Sicily lover.
Yay! Hugs and kisses, right?
Thank you, Kevin.
Let's
So we have many other stories to tell,
many.
but I would like to keep the other stories for the next days.
Yes.
Because we have beautiful people, and I don't wanna reveal everything right now.
No, not right now. No.
So, for example, we have the Lucido. The Lucido tomorrow. What do you think?
Yes.
Tomorrow we will tell the Lucido story. Step by step. We don't want to ruin everything. Okay. Lead storms, for example. Leeds, would you like to say hello to our friends?
Ciao tutti.
Don't say your story, because we have 12 more days to tell everyone's story.
Okay, no
So
story.
Don't spoil.
It is so beautiful here, and don't even give it a second thought. Pack your bags and get here.
Yeah,
That's it.
That's
Done.
the most important. Yeah. Ciao, Leeds. Thank you so much.
Come with me and just say bye-bye because we have the dinner.
Yeah, we are late. Because this is just like a starting point, but we are waiting for the welcome dinner.
Yes.
So once again, look at this beautiful dome. Guys, this is the view you are expecting if you join us. Okay. I think it's time to
say
say bye-bye, because now we are really late. We have to go to to a restaurant in the surroundings to enjoy the first dinner, the welcome dinner, and they don't know what they will enjoy. It's one of the most traditional restaurants in Palermo, to enjoy the most traditional Palermitan cuisine.
Guys, we love you. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
Love, hugs,
with me, Gianca. Love,
hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao.